Hey folks, welcome to the Rod Elmore Show. Today we're going to be making shredded chicken in this here Instant Pot. I got my lovely wife, SD Elmore. Say hi, babe.
Hi, babe.
That's it. Okay, first we got our trivet. We're gonna throw that in the Instant Pot right there. We're gonna put some water in there, at least a half a cup. It's a real simple recipe, shredded chicken.
Yep.
Let me find out what we do next. What am I doing next?
Put the chicken in there.
Oh, I get to put this chicken in there? Just to put it in the Instant Pot?
Yep.
Sweet. And then what?
The lid on.
Then I wash my hands. All right, hands are washed. Put the lid on.
Lid on. It's on. Sealed.
All right, it's sealed.
Then manual. Push the button. 12 minutes.
12 minutes.
12.
Not
There you
13, 12.
And then just leave it.
12 minutes. We're gonna let it do its thing. Gonna come check it out.
That's it.
If you like what you're watching, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell. Hit all, ALL, so you're notified every time we upload a new video. Yeah. And don't forget to tell me what you like best about this video. See you in a few. Alright, so we're done cooking. We let it quick release. There's a couple ways you can do the next step. You can either grab a knife and a fork and a cutting board and you can shred your chicken. Or if you have one of these puppies here, a nice little KitchenAid. What's this attachment called?
Mixer.
Mixer attachment. Yeah. Take your lid off. Take your chicken. Throw all your chicken in this thing. Drop her down. I guess I should have locked that in place. I think I didn't lock it in place. Twist it, lock it, boom. And you let her rip, folks. Just like that. That's what it looks like when it's done shredding. Take all the chicken off the mixer head blade thingy. And we're gonna season it, I think. We're gonna season it. Take the trivet out. Are we keeping the water in there?
Yep. Good chicken broth.
Oh. We'll keep the water for chicken broth.
See? Homemade chicken broth.
Homemade chicken broth.
Cool
I like it. I like it.
Use that in another recipe.
So what do I do that? Dump this back in there?
Yep. Toss it back in. Need.
So we're gonna add in some salsa.
So we're doubling the recipe because we're feeding so many people. So you need 2 cups of red salsa.
Kind of just dump it all in there?
Is that 2 cups?
I don't know. All right, 2 cups of this red salsa. How many chicken breasts did we put in? You remember?
4.
We used 4 chicken breasts. 2 cups of this stuff.
1 cup of green salsa. And a half a cup of taco seasoning.
Just add a little bit of water to this to get all the salsa out of there. How much is this? 2?
1 cup of green salsa.
1 cup of, we made some homemade green salsa. You can use any kind of green salsa. Dump that in there like such. We use the rest of that for chips. Maybe 2 chips, I don't know. We'll see. A couple chips, who knows?
All right. And then do not stir it.
Here comes the magic. Just put the top on. All right, what do I set this at? All right, we're gonna set this at
Put it at 10 minutes.
10 minutos, or 10 minutes.
That's it.
See you in a few. All right. This is done. Quick release. All right, quick release is done. Take the lid off, maybe. Mix it up. There we have it. Quick and easy shredded chicken. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that right now. And smash that bell button and hit all. That way you're notified every time I upload a new video. Leave comments at the bottom. Hope to hear from you soon.